Welcome again. In the previous video of skewness, we have discussed some graded problem of the skewness that have very important as a examination point of view, especially for the PG classes is very important. In today video also we will discuss some new graded problem which is so many times I have seen in questions paper of PG. So we are having 3 and 4 new questions that is related to the skewness chapter of skewness and contains low marks value, because in this type of questions they are not asking to calculate all items of skewness like x bar, z, m, standard deviation, q1, q3, median. They give the value and having some tricks to solve the question. So today also we are having some 2 or 3 new questions. Okay, so coming first, in question directly is given m is equal to given 18.8. The value of m is given, that is 18.8. First question, value of median is given 18.8. The value of q1 is given, that is 14.6, and q3 is given, that is 25.2. So very easily we can calculate the coefficient of skewness here, because in Bowlage method of coefficient of skewness we required the value of q1, q3 and m. All value is given, so no problem at all. We have to just put values in the formula and we will get the value result. So coefficient of skewness in Bowlage method, that may be write JQ, that is q3 plus q1 minus 2m divided by q3 minus q1. So the value q3 is 25.2 plus value of q1 is 14.6 minus 2 multiply 18.8 divided by q3 minus q1, that is 14.6. So that will be 25.2 plus value, 14.6 that is also plus value, 2 multiply 18.8 that minus value. So upper value is 2.2 divided by 25.2 minus 14.6, that is 10.6. So coefficient of skewness, that will be 2.2 divided by 10.6. So the value will be 0.207. So if this type of the question is over there, nothing to do, only just we have to put the value in formula and we will get the result. So that haven't any problem. Next question I am having, for a distribution, the difference between median to first quartile. One question, so many 2 or 3 times it come in examination also. For a distribution, the distance of median from first quartile is 5 times the distance of third quartile from the median. The very first, we have to understand the question. In a distribution, the distance of first quartile from median is 5 times than distance of third quartile from median. So it means median minus q1, that is distance from the first quartile from median, is 5 times from the distance of third quartile to median. What question is asking, we have to think on this. The question in the question is written, in a distribution, the distance of the first quartile from median. So median show the 50% data and q1 show the 25% data. So distance of median from the first quartile is 5 times of distance of median from third quartile. So distance from the median of the third quartile, that is q3 minus m, having 5 times is equal to m minus q1. Then we are to calculate the value of coefficient of skewness is over there. So it's a tricky question. What we have to do, m minus q1 is q3 minus m. Okay, suppose if we think q3 minus m is equal to 1, then m minus q1 will be, putting the value of 1 here, that will be 5, equation first and equation second. The question is written in a distribution, the distance of first quartile from median is 5 times of the distance of the third quartile from median. So whatever the question is asking, we have written here, distance from the first quartile and median is 5 times of the distance of third quartile of median. So third quartile of median distance is 5 times is equal to first difference of the median from the first quartile. Okay, so the coefficient of skewness, that is q3 plus q1 minus 2m divided by q3 minus q1. Okay, so that is q3 minus m, putting 2m minus m minus m plus q1 divided by q3 1 times minus written, again plus minus q1. Okay, so that is q3 minus m minus common m minus q1 divided by q3 minus m plus m minus q1. Okay, now putting the value, q3 minus m is equal to 1 and m minus q1 is equal to 5. So m minus q1 is equal to 5, m minus q1. Okay, q3 minus 1, that is 1, minus 5, 1 plus 5, that is minus 4 divided by 6, that is minus 0.667. So the value will be minus 0.667. So easily we can calculate, no problem at all. Just we have to keep what the question is asking. Similarly, we will go with the question, no problem at all, we can solve the problem. So it's a tricky question, and so many times this question was in the paper of PG examination. So it's a very important question, you may having the attention on this. Next, one more question that is also having some trick also. So it's a very easy questions, but some tricks is over there. So we have to know what the trick is using here. The third question is, for a frequency distribution, coefficient of skewness based on the quartile is 0.6. Coefficient of the skewness based on the quartile is 0.6. Okay. If the addition of upper and lower quartile is 100 and median is 38, then find out the value of q1 and q3. For a distribution based on the quartile, skewness value is 0.6 and the upper and lower quartile addition, that is 100, and the median value is given 38. Then calculate the value of q1 and q3. So as a formula, the JQ is q3 plus q1 minus 2m upon q3 minus q1. As we know, that is the coefficient of skewness by the Bowledge method. The formula is this. So putting the value of 0.6, q1 plus q3 value is 100, minus 2, the value of median is 38, divided by q3 minus q1. So q3 minus q1 is equal to 100 minus 76 divided by 0.6. So q3 minus q1, that is 24 divided by 0.6. Then q3 minus q1 is 40. So we have calculated two equations. First equation, q3 plus q1 100 already given. We have calculated q3 minus q1 value is 40. Comparing both of them, 2q3 is equal to 170. So the value of q3 is equal to 170 divided by 2. 140, sorry. Addition is 140. So the value of q3 is 70. q3 plus q1 given is 100. So 70 plus Q1 given is 100. So the value of Q1 is 100 minus 70. So the value of Q1 is 30. So with the help of this, with the help of the given value, we can calculate what they are asking. In this question, the value of Q1 and Q3 is to calculate. The given value is Q1 plus Q3, given is M, and JQ coefficient of the skewness is given. So what we are not doing nothing, we are just putting the value in the formula and getting the another one equation, and by comparing two equation we are calculating the value of Q3 and Q1. So it's very easy, no problem at all. Now next question, one more question, last question is over there for the graded problem. If in question they provide value of Z and X, suppose in a question the value of Z is given, model value is given 11, value of X bar is given 8. Suppose the value of mod is given 11, value of X bar is given. Calculate the coefficient of skewness when mod is 11, mean is 8, and the difference of two quartile is 8. Q3 minus Q1 is given 8 and Q3 plus Q1 is given 22. Already we have done this question already. So here the problem is this, we have given the quartile, but for calculating the coefficient of skewness from the quartile we want median, but here they have given the value of mode and arithmetic mean. So we know the relationship between this, that is X bar minus Z is equal to 3X bar minus N. By putting the value of arithmetic mean and mode, we can calculate the value of median here, and putting this we can having no problem at all. So here 8 minus 11, 3, 8 minus median. So minus 3 is equal to 24 minus 3 median. Minus 3 minus 24, that is minus 3 median. So minus 3 median is minus 27. So the value of median is 9. Now we have the value of median. Now we can having the coefficient of skewness, that is JQ, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2M upon Q3 minus Q1. So the value of Q3 plus Q1 is given 22, minus 2 multiply the value of median, divided the difference is also given, that is 22 minus 18 divided by 8. So very easily we can calculate 22 minus 18. So value is 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8, that is 0.5. So we have done here 4 different type of the questions related to the value of skewness. So I think with this video you may be now how to solve some tricky questions related to the coefficient of skewness. So I think this video will be helpful for you to know some trickiness and some different type of the question related to the Karl-Pearson coefficient of the skewness as well as the Bowlage method of the skewness. Thank you once again.